Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how Valorant's anti-cheat system works. Valorant, the popular tactical shooter, requires a specific anti-cheat software called Vanguard to run. This system is developed by Riot Games and is a fundamental part of the game's security. It operates at a deep level on your computer, ensuring a fair playing field for everyone. Understanding its role is key to a smooth gaming experience. Vanguard's presence is crucial for maintaining the integrity of Valorant's competitive environment. Its primary function is to detect and prevent the use of cheating software, which could otherwise ruin the experience for legitimate players. By running at a kernel level, Vanguard can effectively identify and block malicious programs, ensuring that every match is decided by skill and strategy, not unfair advantages. Now, regarding the question of playing Valorant without Vanguard, the straightforward answer is that it is not possible. Riot Games has designed Valorant to require Vanguard to be active and running at all times during gameplay. Any attempt to disable or bypass this anti-cheat system will simply prevent the game from launching, displaying an error message. Vanguard is a non-negotiable part of the Valorant experience. To ensure you have the best possible Valorant experience, it is highly recommended to keep Vanguard enabled and updated. Make sure your computer's operating system meets the game's requirements for Vanguard to function correctly. If you encounter any technical difficulties, reaching out to Riot Games support is always the best course of action. Embrace Vanguard for a fair and enjoyable competitive journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.